how to buy Bsquared Network token. So this token came under the symbol of B2. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check Direct's account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it will be listed on MEXC. So if you have an account on MEXC, go and open your MEXC account like that. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, after that, what you need to do, go in the search bar and type B2. Now, click on this pair that have USDT. Now, wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see here, this token will be live for trading in about 11 hours from now. Now, after that date, now you can now click here and set the amount that you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid to buy this token. Now click here on buy B2. In a few seconds, this token, it will be added to your account. So this is how to buy B2 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.